Hello guys, it is Shivam here. In this video, I will give you the basic idea regarding the Firebase in just 90 seconds. So let's get started. As you can see here, to access all the function, we need to create the project first. So I am creating the project here. Now, after creating the project, you can connect Android, iOS and web app with Firebase. I will provide you the links of all the videos on the description box to get it on more detail. So our first point is authentication. It is essential for securing your app and its data. You can connect your app with many authentication like Apple, Google, Mail, phone, etc. in just few lines of code. If you need a powerful structured database, then here it comes. Our second point is Firestore database. You can organize and query your data like a pro. Keep your app running smoothly with Firestore. Now our third point is Firebase storage, which provides a secure and easy way to store and serve your app with images, videos and audios file. Now our fourth point is hosting. You can now deploy the web app to Firebase and can share your creation with the world using Firebase hosting. Now say hello to Firebase Cloud Messaging, the magic that lets your app send messages and notification to user across devices. Thanks for joining me in this fast-paced Firebase adventure. If you found these insights helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Flutter and Firebase content. Thanks for watching.